Hey there, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Kentucky Scratcher. I am here with a $10 million cash explosion, which, if you're from Ohio, you should see this looks kind of like a ticket in Ohio, the name of it, because it's owned by the Ohio Lottery. Find a boom in the bonus, win $25, get a money bag to win the prize automatically, a double dynamite, or a win symbol to win all 15 prizes. Overall odds are 1 in 3.56. As you can see, Cash Explosion is a registered trademark of the Ohio Lottery Commission. All right, let's see. 26, 3, 1, 16, and 30. Nothing in the first row. Nothing but one-offs in the second row. Last chance. All right, nothing there. Bonus going to save us? Negatory, Big Ben. Unfortunately, this ticket is a loser, as I have been putting up quite a bit of losers here lately. But like I figured, my luck was going to fade at some point. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.